Maybe you have been wondering how I create my YouTube video. This video is going to show you my content creation workflow. So if you're new to this channel, I am Gaza Elisha, the founder of Eliademic Digital Marketing Video. On this channel, I talk about digital marketing, and on this channel, I also talk about many importation. So if you want to import from China or Bangladesh or Vietnam, please do make sure you check the description and you can message me and we get to chat. And so therefore, I have had a lot of people import from China. And if eventually you live in Nigeria and you don't know how to pay suppliers in Yuan in China, I can actually help you procure and ship your goods down here in Nigeria. Without further ado, let's move on to today's video. So if you are new to my channel, please do make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe now, so that you will not forget, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create a new video. So let's move on. The first thing I do while creating my video is to brainstorm my ideas. Yes, what are some of the things I use to brainstorm ideas? I use Google Trends and YouTube search for topics that people are searching. So basically, I use the Google Trends to actually search what are people looking for, what are some of the common words the people are searching for, what are the trends that are actually going on. So I use Google Trends to brainstorm and to check for my ideas. And don't forget, we have what we call the Chat GPT. I go to Chat GPT and say, "Hello, Chat GPT," and it says, "Hi, what do you want me to do for you today?" And I said, "Can you tell me some of the trends that are going on digital marketing?" Boom, and they are here with ideas, whether on social media marketing, whether on content creation, whether on WordPress, whether on email marketing. Remember that when we talk about digital marketing, all these aspects are incorporated in digital marketing. If you've not watched my video where I explain what digital marketing is, please do make sure you check here. I'm going to put the link up on this side of this video. And if you've not watched the part 1 and part 2 of this video, please do make sure you check here or you check the video description where I am going to put all these videos linked together. Now, why am I creating this video? Because for those who are starting their YouTube channel and wants to start with amazing information, these videos are for you. They are 10 videos pack that I have created that will help you grow. And do make sure you watch each and every one of them. They are very important. Starting from the number 1, number 2 to number 10. Make sure you watch them and do make sure that you subscribe and comment and what you think about these videos and this series of videos. And when you get to number 10 of it, we are going to do an amazing thing. And don't forget that the number 10 is going to be an amazing topic. So let's move on. Number 2 is scripting. So after I have brainstormed, how about a script? So I write a simple outline of my script. The first is my intro. What am I going to say? Is it hello viewers? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gaza Elisha. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this, and this. That's my intro. And sometimes I can simply come and say, "Hello, my community. Today we are going to be talking about." That's also an intro. Or I can literally start with, "Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about something amazing in this field." That's an intro. So each time I come with different intro, you can actually see that today's intro is quite different from the previous intro you have listened to. So while I'm scripting, the first thing I consider is my intro. The next is my body. So my body comprises of what I'm going to talk about from number 1 till the end of the video. And then the next is my call to action. Am I going to say subscribe, or am I going to say hit the notification bell? Whatever it is, my call to action matters a lot. And number three is recording. The truth is that I use just three things to record my phone. Apart from the fact that if I'm using my laptop, I have what we call the Cam 8, where it records just my screen and you can't actually see my face. But on these videos from part 1 to number 8, I'm using just this lavalier mic, and then I'm using my tripod and then my phone, and that's all. So these are the three things I'm using to record these videos. So I have made it in such a way that in case you do not have this mic and you want one, just please comment below. It's on a cheaper rate and we are on a promo. I can help you purchase it and ship it down to where you are. But let's say, for instance, you want to start developing this mic to sell. Please do make sure you comment below. I'm going to show you how you go about it. But my recording is something that I normally use just this mic, my tripod, and my phone, depending on what I am using. If I'm using my phone, I use the other big mic connected to it. I don't use the laptop microphone. I use my external microphone, and then I make sure that I have good lighting. Now I'm recording my video in the night, and you can actually see that there's light, so I have a good lighting. So sometimes I make use of the NEPA light, or I have a tripod that have a light stand on it. The next is my editing. So make sure that you follow the pattern, the brainstorming your idea, number 2, and then number 3 I say is editing. Editing, I use basically CapCut. Yes, some of you can use Filmora, and there are many editing apps. In fact, do you know that you can use Canva now to edit your videos? Yes, you can actually use Canva. But basically, I use CapCut to edit my videos. So I upload these videos on CapCut and maybe work on the audio and work on the lighting and make sure that what I am saying is written on the video. So this things you are seeing the write up on the video is because I'm using CapCut. So for editing, I use CapCut. So there are many editing apps, you can go there and check. The fifth things I do why I create my YouTube video is my titles and my thumbnails. What do I use to design my titles and my thumbnails? I use one app. Guess what is it? You have been thinking, right? And some of you actually got it right. I use Canva. Canva is what I use to design my titles and my thumbnail. So I design my titles using Canva. So Canva is a free drag and drop app where you can design your thumbnails and upload it on your YouTube channel. Guess what? It's not just what you can use to design your thumbnails alone. You can also design your YouTube banner, images, pictures, in fact, books, create journals with it. There are many things you can do. In fact, you can create videos, you can record yourself live using Canva and so forth. So if you are looking for a good recording app, you can use Canva to record your videos. In fact, you can record your video using slides and showing yourself at the other side. So it's important. So Canva is free. Although they have the pro plan where you have other features. The features are limited on Canva if you're using the free plan, but I guarantee you that the free plan is enough for you when you are started. Unless you have started making thousands of dollars on YouTube where you cannot afford to pay for these apps. But for now, I keep it simple. Yes. And then the last is I upload and optimize my video using TubeBuddy and VidIQ. And you can use VidIQ for your brainstorming ideas too. Yes, it's okay. VidIQ is okay. But for my upload and optimize, I use TubeBuddy for tags and SEO. So this is my workflow for my content creation. This is my content creation workflow. And get it. That's my entire workflow. It's simple, affordable, and effective. Try it out and tell me your process in the comment section. Once again, I'm Dr. Elisha, the founder of Eliademic Digital Marketing Video. If you want to join our community, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create new video. Thank you.